Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to sell fractional shares on Webull in just 2 minutes. Let's dive in. Before getting started, ensure you've signed up for Webull, submitted your brokerage application, and had it approved. Your account should also be successfully opened. On the Webull app, you'll notice 5 tabs at the bottom of the screen. No matter which tab you're on, you can use the search icon at the top right to find the stock you want to sell. For this example, search for NVIDIA using the ticker symbol NVDA. Once you've found the stock, tap the Trade button in the bottom left corner. Make sure the Sell option is selected, then switch the order type to Market since this is the only option available for fractional share trading. Even though the stock market is closed right now, I'll walk you through the process as if it were open. To see how many shares you own, check the bottom of the screen. For instance, if I own 2.79986 shares of NVIDIA but want to round that down to 2 shares, I can adjust the quantity by clicking the decimal point in the quantity box and entering the desired fraction. If I decide to sell half a share, I would enter 0.5, or if I want to sell all my shares, I can select Close All, which will automatically populate the total number of fractional shares I own. Once you've entered the quantity, review the Time in Force section. When placing a market order, the day option is the default, as the order will execute immediately during market hours. Keep in mind that market orders can't be placed during extended hours. You'll also see an estimate of your potential earnings from the sale. The final amount might differ slightly due to market fluctuations. Next, review your positions and the cost basis for your shares. The cost basis shows the average price you paid per share. For example, if I sold all my NVIDIA shares now, I would make a profit because the current price is higher than what I paid. To check the profit specifically for fractional shares, go to your portfolio by clicking the Webull logo in the center. Navigate to the History tab, select Order Records, and filter by Buy Orders. Scroll down to find the fractional share purchase for NVIDIA, click on it, and you'll see the average fill price. In my case, it was $121.27 per share, meaning selling these fractional shares now would give me a profit. Before selling fractional shares on Webull, here are a few things to remember. Fractional share trading is only available on the mobile app and not on the desktop or website. Only market orders can be placed for fractional shares, and these orders can't be made during extended hours. Additionally, you can sell any portion of your shares as long as the transaction value is at least $5, and you can trade up to 0.00001 of a share. And that's how you sell fractional shares on Webull. Thanks for watching.